Hey there, Steve V from SV Software here. In this video, I am going to talk about how to add widgets to your home screen on your iPad or your iPhone with iOS 14. Okay, so you can clearly see here I am on my iPhone and I have three widgets already set up. One with the weather outside, a second one to the right with the music, and a third one on the bottom there with top stories. But if you want to add a widget to your home screen, all you have to do is you kind of hold down tap on your screen, but hold down the screen anywhere there is not an app. So I actually tapped and held down below that camera app on the bottom right. And then you can see on the top, there's a top left, there's a plus button. You tap on the plus button, and then you'll see widgets that kind of come up that are suggested. So one widget I will try to add is this stock widget. And you can clearly see by looking at this as you swipe the different sizes that you can add for your widgets. So let's go ahead and put in, let's put in this one. Okay, and then we'll hit the add widget button on the bottom and then click the done. And there you go, the widget's added. It's very useful. And then another neat thing that you can do with these widgets is as you see them, all you have to do is tap on them and it'll actually open up that app that's associated with that widget and it'll give you more information. So it's kind of a cool thing and very useful to use. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just type it below and I'll get right back to you. Thanks.